Welcome to Speak with Confidence, the podcast designed to help you grow into a clear, calm, and confident speaker, step by step. I'm Lily.
And I'm Mike. In every episode, we share easy, useful advice to help you speak naturally and confidently in any situation.
In today's episode, we'll walk you through 10 practical tips to help you become a confident public speaker. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Be clear about what you want to say. Many people believe confidence is something you're born with, but in reality, it comes from knowing your message well.
That's true. People feel nervous when their thoughts are unclear. They worry about what comes next instead of connecting with listeners.
So begin by asking yourself one simple question. What is the one main idea I want people to remember?
Just one idea. If your audience forgets everything else, what should stay in their mind?
After that, organize your talk into 3 easy sections: the beginning, the middle, and the ending.
Your beginning sets the tone. You might open with a question, a short personal experience, or a clear statement.
For example, have you ever felt afraid of speaking in front of others?
In the middle section, support your main idea with 2 or 3 simple points.
Avoid memorizing full sentences. Focus on main ideas so you sound relaxed and natural.
Finally, end by restating your key message and giving the audience something clear to remember.
Simple language makes your message stronger and easier to understand.
Confidence comes from clarity, not from complicated words.
Tip 1 Summary. Decide on one main message, use a clear structure, keep your language simple. Tip 2. Say it out loud. This tip is especially helpful for people who feel ready in their head but nervous when speaking.
Thinking about your speech is not enough. Confidence develops when you practice speaking out loud.
Speaking aloud helps your mind and body work together.
Start by practicing alone in a quiet place. Short practice times work best in the beginning.
Recording your voice can help you notice how you sound and where you can improve.
It might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's very effective.
You can also use a mirror to watch your expressions and movements.
Don't memorize every sentence. Use notes with keywords instead.
Repeating your practice builds confidence naturally.
Tip 2 Summary. Practice speaking aloud. Keep practice short. Record yourself. Focus on ideas, not perfection.
Tip 3. Begin small and grow gradually. You don't need to feel confident in front of a large crowd right away.
Confidence grows little by little through simple experiences.
Start by speaking to one person or a small group you feel comfortable with.
Prepare short talks, about 30 seconds, and slowly increase the length.
Every small success builds trust in yourself.
Notice progress, even if it feels small.
Tip 3 Summary. Speak to small groups, keep talks short, increase difficulty slowly, appreciate progress. Tip 4. Manage your breathing. Anxiety often shows up first in your breathing.
Fast, shallow breathing makes your voice weak and your thoughts unclear.
Before speaking, take a deep breath in and release it slowly.
Pausing during your speech gives you time to breathe and think.
Regular breathing practice helps your body stay calm.
Tip 4 Summary. Take deep breaths, slow your breathing, pause while speaking, practice often.
Tip 5. Keep your body language natural. Your body sends messages, even when you're not speaking.
Stand comfortably with your back straight and shoulders relaxed.
Look at one listener at a time instead of the whole room.
Use your hands naturally to support your words.
A friendly expression helps you and the audience feel at ease.
Tip 5 Summary. Relaxed posture, simple eye contact, natural gestures, calm movements. Tip 6. Slow down your speech.
Speaking too quickly is a common habit when people feel nervous.
Slowing down helps your message sound clearer and stronger.
Use pauses to highlight important ideas.
Clear pronunciation matters more than accent.
Tip 6 Summary. Reduce your speed. Pause often. Speak clearly. Tip 7. Let go of perfection.
Trying to sound perfect increases pressure.
Mistakes are a normal part of speaking.
If you make a mistake, continue calmly.
Your audience cares more about your message than small errors. Tip 7 Summary. Accept mistakes. Keep going. Focus on connection. Tip 8. Think about your listeners.
Confidence grows when you focus on your audience instead of yourself.
Think about who they are and how your message can help them.
Treat your speech like a friendly conversation.
Tip 8 Summary. Understand your audience. Aim to help. Speak naturally. Tip 9. Add stories and examples.
Stories make ideas easier to understand and remember.
Examples bring your message to life.
Personal experiences help you speak more comfortably.
Tip 9 Summary. Share stories. Use examples. Be relatable. Tip 10. Practice often.
Confidence develops through regular practice.
Even a short daily practice makes a difference.
Practice in different places and situations.
Tip 10 Summary. Practice regularly. Keep it short. Build a habit. Ending. Thank you for listening to Speak with Confidence. We hope today's episode supported your speaking journey.
If you found it useful, please subscribe, share, and leave a review.
Keep practicing and join us again soon.
Until next time, keep improving, keep speaking, and stay confident.